In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your HTML website online in just a few minutes using Hostinger. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by going to Hostinger's website. This platform will serve as the foundation for hosting your HTML website, making it accessible to everyone online. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look for the option labeled Websites and give that a click. This will direct you to a page listing all the websites associated with your Hostinger account. Next, navigate to the dashboard option from this page. This is where the magic begins. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your website configurations and hosting options. If you don't initially see the File Manager option in the dashboard, don't worry. It's time to head over to the roadmap at Hostinger. This feature provides step-by-step guides and further insights on managing your website hosting. Within the Roadmap tool, type in File and search. You should spot something that says Web Hosting. Click on that. Here you'll find more information on using Hostinger's File Manager, which is essential for uploading your HTML site files. There's a helpful resource titled How to Use File Manager. Click on that link for a deeper understanding of the tool. Now, with the necessary background knowledge, it's time to access Hostinger's File Manager. Just remember, if you're using services like Hostinger Website Builder or Horizons, File Manager might not be available to you. For everyone else, head to hPanel, Hostinger's management area, and log into your account. Once logged in, select a hosting plan, then click Manage. In the next interface, opt for File Manager in the website dashboard, or follow the sidebar pathway selecting Files and then File Manager. Once you're in, you should be in Hostinger's File Manager. Here's where you'll upload and manage your website's files. Exploring File Manager, you'll notice it's divided into three sections: the sidebar, the file management area, and the top menu. The sidebar is packed with handy shortcuts like My Files, New Folder, and Trash Bin, among others. These features make navigating and organizing your files a breeze. In the center, you'll see the file management area, which displays your current directory's files and folders. Right-click any file or folder to rename, move, or delete it. Up at the top is a breadcrumb navigation path, helping you track and jump through directories swiftly. When it comes to editing files, the built-in text editor eliminates the need for local downloads, offering syntax highlighting for easy and error-free file modifications. By following these instructions, you'll have your HTML website live on the web in no time. With Hostinger, site hosting becomes straightforward and highly efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!